Welcome everyone to our channel Competitivepedia. Today we are going to discuss important current affairs regarding 8th December 2021. So let's begin our session. The first question is, which former Chief Election Commissioner of India has been included in the advisory board of International Institute for Democracy and Electoral Assistance? So the correct answer is your option A, Sunil Arora. Now, IDEA full form is the International Institute for Democracy and Electoral Assistance. It is a 15-member board of advisors. It was established in 1995. The headquarters of IDEA is Stockholm in Sweden. The Secretary General of IDEA is Kevin Casa Zamora. Now, Sunil Arora had served as the 23rd Chief Election Commissioner of India from December 2018 to April 2021, and the 2019 Lok Sabha elections were conducted under his tenure. Yeah. The next question is, which country has recently launched a new satellite named Gaofen 1103 from Taiwan Satellite Launch Center? So the correct answer is your option B, China. Clear? Now, this satellite was launched by a Long March 4B rocket, and the satellite is also called as Chang'e 4B, CZ4B and 11-4B. These are its name. Now, Gaofen is a series of high resolution Earth imaging satellite of China, and the first Gaofen series satellite by the name Gaofen 1 was launched in 2013. Nobel Peace Prize winner Myanmar's politician Aung San Suu Kyi has been sentenced to how many years in prison? The correct answer is 4 years. Option A, 4 years. Now, Suu Kyi has been found guilty on 2 charges. Number 1, for inciting the public against the military, and number 2, for breaching the COVID-19 protocols. Now, Myanmar capital is Nay Pyi Taw, Myanmar currency is Kyat, and Suu Kyi was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 1991. Clear? Next question, which of the following bank has recently launched India's first stand-alone metal debit card? The correct answer is IDFC First Bank. Option C, IDFC First Bank. Now, the name of the card is First Private Infinite Card, and it is country's first stand-alone metal debit card, which was launched in partnership with Visa. It is a lifetime free card which is specially designed for customers who are part of the bank's first private program. Now, IDFC First Bank headquarter is in Mumbai, and this IDFC First Bank was founded in 2015, and the CEO is V. Vaidyanathan. Indian American mathematician Nikhil Srivastava has been selected for the Cyprian Fues Award of AMS. He teaches at, the correct answer is California University. Teaches at California University. Now, the award which was being presented to Nikhil Srivastava recognizes his highly original work that introduced and developed methods of understanding the characteristic polynomial of matrices. Now, the amount of this award is $5,000, and AMS full form is American Mathematical Society. Which female player has won the title of BWF World Tour 2021? The correct answer is An Se Young. Option D, An Se Young. Now, the full form of BWF is Badminton World Federation World Tour, and it is officially known as the HSBC BWF World Tour Finals. Now, An Se-young, who has won this, she is from South Korea. Now, PV Sindhu was the runner-up and she won the silver at the 2021 BWF World Tour Finals. One important fact, in 2018, PV Sindhu had won the BWF Tour Finals and became the only Indian to achieve this feat. Okay. Now, in men's single, this award has been won by Victor and he is from Denmark. Who is appointed as the MD and CEO of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank? Correct answer is Itira Davis. Clear? Now, Itira Davis has been appointed as the MD and CEO for a period of 3 years. Now, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank headquarter is in Bangalore and the founder of this bank is Samit Ghosh, and this bank was founded in 2004. Which of the following country has announced that it will not attend the 2022 Winter Olympics in Beijing, China? The correct answer is option C, USA. Clear? And the US cited that China's human rights atrocities is the main reason for the boycott. This is the main reason for the boycott. And the US named this boycott as diplomatic boycott. Clear? The winner of 56th Janpeet Award. The answer is Neelmani Fukan. Option C, Neelmani Fukan. So, he is an Assami poet Neelmani, and he also has won Sahitya Academy and Padma Shri Award. Clear? And one more important news, that 57th Janpeet Award winner is Damodar Mozo, and he is a Konkani novelist. Now, what is Janpeet Award? Janpeet Award is country's highest literary award, and it is presented by the Bharatiya Janpeet organization and to every Indian writers every year, and this award was instituted in 1961. Who is appointed as the president of FICCI? Your answer is Sanjeev Mehta. Option A, Sanjeev Mehta. Now, the full form of FICCI is the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. The FICCI was founded in 1927. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. President of FICCI is Harshvardhan Neotia and Secretary General of FICCI is Arun Chawla. At present, Sanjeev Mehta is Chairman and MD of HUL, Hindustan Unilever Limited. So guys, this was for the day. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you like our video, do subscribe our channel Competitivepedia, share it with your friends and families, learn by this way and get closer to your aim or destination. Happy learning. May God bless you all. Thank you.